So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish in जैसे पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. इसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रजा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Ertugrul on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most is your hand on your heart. And that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. Hum sabko karna chahiye, hai na? That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually. And I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Fiza.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम फिजा है. मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ. सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुई, आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. आपका चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेक अ विश वालों ने मेरे ख्वाहिश पूरी की.
You that Suhail is dressed up in the attire from the show from that time period.
Yes, I can see.
And he'd like to show it to you. So, ab khade ho, dikhao. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halima Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halima?
Yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying.
Thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The three children, and Mr. Ertugrul Bey would like to present a gift to you. It's a sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ertugrul Bey. His Excellency Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order, and there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved. Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you, and especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency the Consul General, and with us also the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility, to deliver him. Thank you so much.
And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much, Make a Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us. Thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much.